Favorite vegetarian dishes of today's youth. Vegetarianism and veganism are on the rise, with more and more people adopting plant-based diets for health, ethical, and environmental reasons. Today's youth, in particular, are leading the way in embracing vegetarianism and veganism, with many young people choosing to forego meat and animal products in favor of delicious and nutritious plant-based meals. In this article, we will explore some of the favorite vegetarian dishes of today's youth and why they are so popular. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a ubiquitous breakfast and brunch dish, popularized by millennials and Gen Z. This simple yet delicious dish consists of mashed avocado spread on top of a slice of toast, often with additional toppings such as tomato, onion, or a poached egg. The popularity of avocado toast can be attributed to its simplicity, versatility, and health benefits. Avocado is a rich source of healthy fats and fiber, making it a great option for those looking for a satisfying and nutritious breakfast or snack. Voodoo bowls. Voodoo bowls, also known as power bowls or macro bowls, are a popular meal option for young people looking for a healthy and filling plant-based meal. These bowls typically consist of a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients such as grains, vegetables, and protein sources such as tofu or tempeh. The appeal of Buddha bowls lies in their versatility and customizability. Diners can mix and match different ingredients to create a bowl that suits their tastes and nutritional needs. Additionally, Buddha bowls are often colorful and visually appealing, making them a popular choice for social media posts. Vegan burgers. Vegan burgers have come a long way from their early days as dry and flavorless patties. Today's youth are embracing vegan burgers made with innovative ingredients such as black beans, chickpeas, and mushrooms, which provide a meaty texture and satisfying flavor. The popularity of vegan burgers can be attributed to their health benefits and environmental impact. Plant-based burgers are often lower in saturated fat and calories than their meat counterparts, and they have a smaller carbon footprint, making them a more sustainable choice. Falafel wraps. Falafel wraps are a popular street food option that has gained popularity among young people in recent years. These wraps typically consist of crispy falafel balls, fresh vegetables, and a flavorful sauce, all wrapped up in a warm pita bread. The appeal of falafel wraps lies in their portability and convenience. They are easy to eat on the go, making them a popular choice for busy students and young professionals. Additionally, falafel wraps are often affordable, making them a popular choice for those on a budget. Vegan mac and cheese. Vegan mac and cheese has become a favorite comfort food among young people, providing a satisfying and indulgent meal without the use of dairy products. This dish typically consists of a creamy sauce made from cashews or nutritional yeast, poured over cooked pasta. The popularity of vegan mac and cheese can be attributed to its ability to provide a comforting and familiar meal without the use of animal products. Additionally, vegan mac and cheese is often lower in calories and saturated fat than traditional mac and cheese, making it a healthier option. Jackfruit tacos. Jackfruit has gained popularity in recent years as a meat substitute due to its meaty texture and ability to absorb flavors. Jackfruit tacos, in particular, have become a favorite among young people looking for a flavorful and satisfying plant-based meal. These tacos typically consist of shredded jackfruit cooked in a spicy sauce and topped with fresh vegetables such as cilantro, onion, and avocado. The appeal of jackfruit tacos lies in their ability to provide